Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can fix the an error occur while launching the Roblox studio. I will show you guys the 4 effective solution that will definitely fix your problem. So first go to the Windows tab, hit the CMD and run as administrator. And guys, here you have to just simply type the command which is the SFC and space and forward slash and then scan now. So guys, once you type it, hit the enter and this will scan all the integrity violation or any corrupted files or any missing files on your window, and this built-in function will fix your problem automatically. When this verification process was completed to 100%, and guys, it means it's completed. So while it was running, we can move to our next solution. So go to the Windows tab, hit the updates and just open up the check for updates, and then you have to simply look for if there is any missing or available update for your Windows. If there is any, then you can simply update of your operating system. And if your problem is still not fixed, then right click on the Roblox Studio, go to the properties, click on the compatibility tab, and here you just need to check this box of the compatibility mode and choose here the Windows 8, and also check the box of the run the program as an administrator. So guys, once you check these boxes, these are the very important settings, then just simply apply this, open up the Roblox Studio and see your problem is fixed or not. If not, then you can go to the Windows tab here, the CMD, and run as administrator. Then you have to just simply type the command which is the ipconfig and space and then forward slash and then flush DNS. So guys, this will fix your any network issues, and then you have to type the command which is netsh and space and winsock and reset. Once you type it, just hit the enter and then you have to just simply restart your PC. When this was completed to 100%, then you can simply restart your PC and the majority of the problem will be fixed after this solution. And if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me. Now I will see you guys in the next video.